Okay, so why is everybody adding sea moss to their diet? It looks like something that you might accidentally step on at the beach, kind of, but it tastes really good. But hear me out. It's actually a little sea vegetable that's become one of my favorite ways to add a little ocean-grown nutrition to my everyday routine. And if texture is a thing for you, if you don't like the gels or if your kids don't like the texture, this is a great substitute because it's a powder. It's electrolyte powder. And if you have a good wellness routine, you're probably already using those. And unlike other electrolyte packets where things have to be added, sea moss actually contains those minerals, including iodine, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and iron. It also contains soluble fiber and prebiotic compounds, so that can nourish your beneficial bacteria in your digestive tract, making seaweed an interesting addition to the diet and great for your diverse gut microbiome. So not only are the electrolytes going to give you energy, the fiber is going to help you feel full and contribute to good digestion. It already has a very mild flavor, but the flavors of these electrolyte packets are absolutely delicious. I love the melon one. It is so good. Drink it every day. So if you want to add more veggies to the diet, this is the way.